Yeah, this is a horrifying incident that is being reported of a rape of a minor that has come to light from UP's Ayodhya. A 12-year-old girl who was allegedly raped multiple times, and then after an obscene video of her that was also shot. This case came to light after the minor girl was found to be pregnant. Now, police have also arrested two of the accused, one of them who has been identified as a Samajwadi Party leader, Moid Khan. The victim's family has now claimed that the police initially resisted filing complaints, allegedly suggesting that only that person can be named in the FIR and that Moid Khan's involvement should not be made clear in when it comes to the political influence that he raises over when it comes to in Uttar Pradesh. But it is astonishing to note that the police chowki that was operating inside Moid Khan's house, and this is how, as we are looking at the minor that is now found to be pregnant, this case has now come to light.
धान बैठा मार बिटिया जात रहे हैं, धान बैठा के लौटी है तो वही राजू मोहित रहे कहीं आप पोस्ट पापा ले जा तो वापस जोन बात है राजू भी रहे मोहित तो सब वीडियो बनाए के उसके बाद मैंने मार बिटिया लेके आए तो पूछे जब 2 महीने के बाद का भवा तो कहीं की जन वैसे ऐसे राजू मोहित करे हैं जांच कराए, जांच कर करा 2 महीने का लड़का चौकी नहीं सुनाई थाना तो कहीं जोन बात है उनका नाम काट दिया, राजू नाम डाला, फांसी हुआ उनका।
ये सब मुझे जब पता चला तो मैंने कहा एप्लीकेशन नहीं दिया आपने, तो उसने कहा कि चौकी पर देते हैं, वहाँ मोहित खान आके बैठ जाते हैं, कुछ होता ही नहीं है। तो एसओ साहब ने कहा आप एक नाम हटा दीजिए, आपका मुकदमा भी दर्ज कर देंगे। तो मैंने कहा नाम नहीं हटेगा, जब वो अपराधी है तो कैसे नाम हटा दें। हम लोग नाम नहीं हटाए, वहाँ बैठे रहे 4 बजे तक। जब मीडिया में सारा एप्लीकेशन घूमने लगा तब ये जाके एसपी सिटी के दबाव में मुकदमा लिखे।
सर क्या प्रकरण है? यह प्रकरण थाना पूरा कलंदर का है। यहाँ पर पॉक्सो एक्ट के तहत मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया गया है, जिसमें नामजद दोनों अभियुक्तों को हिरासत में लेकर पूछताछ कर विधिक कार्रवाई की जा रही है।
Let's talk about when this incident came to light. The police chowki was shifted from Bharatkund. And here what is being said according to reports is the police acted on the victim's family's complaint after there was pressure built from the right-wing organizations. As the Samajwadi Party MP from Faizabad constituency, Avdesh Prasad's proximity to Moid Khan is also said to be under scrutiny.
जो कुछ घटना हो रही है इस समय, वो एक इसके सीक्वेंस को जाना जाए तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे अति उत्साह में जानबूझकर ये सारा कार्य किया जा रहा है, जो भविष्य में बहुत बड़े खतरे की घंटी है। ये लोग आए दिन ये घटना करते हैं। 12 वर्ष की बच्ची के साथ रेप हो रहा है, उसका घर कब गिराया जाएगा, कब बुलडोजर चलेगा? ये बुलडोजर का भौकाल कहाँ गया? आप दिखाना चाहिए। आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट, आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट अबाउट, तो हाउ आई कैन आंसर अबाउट योर क्वेश्चन। आई एम नॉट अवेयर ऑफ, मैं तो सीधे सदन से आ रहा हूँ भैया। हाँ, अब जा रहे हैं, आवास पे जा रहे हैं, जानकारी लेंगे व्हाट इज रियलिटी, क्या है क्या नहीं, तभी तो बोल पाएंगे। ऐसे कैसे कह देंगे?
सर बताया जा रहा है वो समाजवादी पार्टी का ही कार्यकर्ता है।
अरे भाई हम कैसे कह दें? लेट मी इंक्वायरी, हमको जानकारी लेने दीजिए ना, तभी तो हम कुछ बात कर पाएंगे, है कि नहीं?
Well, that's the MP. They're saying that he needs to collect more information over this incident that has reportedly happened in Ayodhya. We have Adeep with us right now. Adeep, this case, the police investigation and the people being questioned. Please give us the details.
Well, see, it's the Samajwadi Party, a local leader of Ayodhya, who is the accused in this case. And he, along with one other person, was accused of raping a 12-year minor. In fact, this is a gang rape, and police has now registered an FIR against the accused and have been arrested. The politics has erupted, and the Samajwadi Party is being accused. In fact, there are several photos of the accused with the Ayodhya MP, Avdesh Prasad. He is accompanying Avdesh Prasad. In this case, the police is saying that they are taking strict action against the accused as of now. Moid Khan, who is the accused, is being questioned by the police, and all his associates are being associated. In fact, police outpost was also being operated from the backside of his house of the Mohit Khan, and now the police has taken swift action. They have shifted the police outpost to a new location, and the police the police is also being inquired why, on the first place, the police outpost was built on the home of the accused in Ayodhya.
How is that even possible to shift a police chowki somewhere else? I mean, Adib, this is bizarre.
Well, definitely, Amita, this is a serious lapse on the ground or by the Ayodhya police. First, they were building up a police outpost in the backside of a home of an accused, and now when the accused is such a heinous crime of a gang rape, now the police is trying to correct all the mistakes that they have done, and they are shifting the police outpost from his house to another location that comes under the Ayodhya itself.
All right. Keep us updated as far as the police investigation in this case is concerned. That has created a lot of outrage over this incident that has now come to light from Ayodhya. Thank you, Adib.